My birds have to be active, healthy, and enjoying their life. It's just number one. It has to happen. And yeah, that's what I'm going to pass on to my kids. Like, treat these animals properly. My name is Jeremy. I farm in the southeastern Manitoba region, and I'm a Manitoba chicken producer.
The protocols that Canadian chicken farmers raise chicken under are all science-based, and they're from years of experience of consultation with veterinarians, with poultry scientists, and with the farmers themselves to produce protocols that work for all aspects of production.
We're already planning for the kids to take over the farm, whether they want to or, we're giving ourselves stepping stones. We're teaching them how to farm, we're giving them different flavors of farming, and we hope that they step away from the farm for a year or two just so that they know what they've came from as part of the education thing. But if they would take over, I'd be thrilled. We love and have a passion for providing healthy, locally grown protein to our family and friends. So we eat what we raise and we share that with others because we're proud of what we do.
If you take care of them, they'll take care of you. We care for them as good as we can. My name is Colin Grenier. I am from South Central Manitoba, and I'm a chicken and grain farmer.
My name is Amy Johnston. I'm a poultry specialist with Manitoba Agriculture, and I'm also trained as a livestock nutritionist. An animal nutritionist works with chicken farmers in order to meet the needs of the chicken through all different stages of their growth. They will make sure that they design a feed using ingredients that are locally produced and provide that nutritious diet to those chickens.
Our chickens, like all chickens in Manitoba, are free to roam wherever they want in the barn. All broiler meat farms in Canada, chickens have access to feed and water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's very important for our chickens to be treated well and humanely. On our farm, we feed the chickens high quality feed, which then in turn makes a high quality chicken, which in turn makes high quality food for humans. We feel good about eating chicken at home because of the high quality and care programs that are in place in Manitoba for chicken production.